Good
So,
morning.
rain or shine. First of all, good evening, guys. To yung mga bago dito, don't forget to subscribe. Unahan ko na. Kasi di man lahat umabot sa dulo eh. So, mag-subscribe na kayo for all PBA, Gilas, UAP content. And sa NBA siguro make a new channel. Para ano. Kasi kailangan segregated eh. Hindi siya mag-mesh with Philippine basketball in terms of algorithm. But yun nga no. Anyway, rain or shine advances, Mario. Ito na ba yung Magnolia ka, diba? Nag-Magnolia in 5 ka. We gave our
At first, yeah.
but
So this
nag-Magnolia in
morning,
5 ka if Lucero played.
yeah. This morning, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, nasabi ko, hindi. Yung gising ko ngayon, feeling ko Ross mananalo. That's what I know this morning. And
Kailan tayo
like,
nag-record? 2 nights ago? Yung sa Poly. Oh, tagal na tayo. 2 nights ago pa yung Poly
hindi,
natin.
nag-record tayo this morning, di ba?
Hindi, pero that was Converge.
Yeah,
What are you
I
talking about?
mentioned
Like,
it. Yeah, we
yeah,
mentioned
yeah. We did our like
it.
prediction lang for tonight. Yeah.
Anyway, I did think Magnolia in 5, pero are we gonna go straight into this? I know exactly
Go!
I know
Game! So, ano
exactly where
napansin mo
this
sa
is
laro
all
natin?
going.
Let's go straight into this sa mga lahat na nakikinig. We go straight to the point. We go straight to the game at hand. Game 5. What do you
Yeah.
think happened? So, di ba 29-20, kala natin, it looks like it's gonna be another blowout. Pero, what was missing? Or anong mali nilang ginawa?
What sa tingin ko yung nangyari was
Sa tingin mo?
let's run through the minutes, okay?
Okay, minutes.
Mr. Rome De La Rosa had 31 minutes, okay? And he was minus 24. Ian
So, yun nga.
Sanggalang was a minus 23. Calvin Abueva in 17 minutes was a plus
Plus
13.
13.
Aris Junicio in 18 minutes was a plus 6. I know plus minus isn't the best way of looking at things. Pero di mo masasabi sa akin that Rome De La Rosa played better than Calvin and Aris Dionisio.
Mm.
I think Calvin and Aris needed way more minutes. I understand though, Calvin did have 5 fouls and Aris also had 6 fouls. Kaya siguro
Mm.
sila nalimitahan and that's why Rome was forced to play 31. Pero the fact that they did foul out was a major reason why. Kasi Calvin and Aris, I think, were playing very well today. Calvin had
Mm.
16 in 17 minutes.
16
That's
and
good.
9 in
Yeah, he had
17
16 in
minutes.
17 minutes. And like we said, it was going to happen. Paulie had 9 points.
Yan na nga. Nag-regression to the mean.
Paulie had 9 on 3 for 13. Bad shooting night from him. He was 0 for 3 from 4, 0 for 4 from 3. What can you do? And
Yung
yet it was
turnovers
still a
din.
very
He tried to facilitate,
yeah,
pero
yeah.
the as many assists as he gave up, ganoon din kadami yung turnovers na
Grabe yung
binigay
turnovers
niya
ng
to Ross.
Oo, grabe yung turnovers ng Magnolia today. Uh
They
in
had
terms of
20 turnovers to just
unreal.
the 12 of Rain or Shine.
In terms of what Rain or Shine did, full ass props to Jonard Clarito. I swear, wherever
Nagising,
this
mga
man,
nagising.
wherever this man came from, wherever
San Juan
this
Knights,
man,
diba? San Juan Knights yan si Johnner, diba?
Diosher. Di
Oh,
ba siya
Johnner Clarito. Guys, comment nyo ah. Alam ko San Juan
galing
Knights yan.
MPBL yun? Si
MPBL yan! Johnner Clarito. Wait, type natin. But
Real?
yeah, go ahead. Go with your point. Johnner Clarito. MPBL.
Anyway,
San Juan Knights, oh Mario.
di
Yan.
siya nag-college beforehand?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know where he came from sa college. Teka, check natin.
Yeah.
Johnner
Anyways,
Clarito.
going before I go into that, we talked about people needed to step up today. Keith
Keep that.
Datu, 11 points in 13 minutes. He hit what? One, two. He hit two big 3 pointers to give Ross the lead and to extend the lead. So, and what did we say last time we talked about this? Where has Keith Datu been? Where have the minutes for Keith Datu been, diba? Where have the minutes for
Same for Lemeti. Na naglaro
Felix
today.
Clemente have been? Where have they been?
16
Yes,
minutes din.
ay totoo. Ayun. So Felix was actually didn't shoot well either. Pero yung defense niya, honestly, he played pretty good defense on
Kaya
the
siya
Dodgers
nasa floor.
Mongolia.
He was there.
Yeah. And
Plus
he was
15.
able, yeah. And then ano siya? 6 assists. 6 assists siya.
Exactly. Facilitator siya.
Yeah. Led the team in assists in 17 minutes. He played
Hmm.
so well today. Even if his shot wasn't going in, grabe yung linaro ni Felix today. So the two people we said that where are they? Where are the minutes for these two? Ayun, nilabas ni Coach Yang sa game 5 and I think that's where Ross had the advantage. Keith Datu was using his body.
Dito lumabas
And,
yung depth. Yes.
yeah, exactly. And quick shout out to Gabe Norwood. How old is Gabe, man? Uh,
Wait lang, let me type.
Gabe
Gabe
Norwood
Norwood,
age.
age
Gabe is
39.
39 years. He is the LeBron James in terms
Pero
of
grabe yung
the
defense niya talaga. Like, gets
yeah,
mo na he's a playing assistant coach. And the reason
yeah,
why he's on the floor is he still has those fundamentals. You cannot, di ba the
yeah,
last thing na umaalis sa player is their IQ, aside from
yes,
their shooting. So that's why Gabe still, and you cannot deny a 6'5" guy with a 6'9", 6'10" wingspan. Hindi mo pa rin
yeah.
matatanggal yun, na yun
Totoo.
yung qualities ng isang Gabe Norwood.
Totoo. And makikita mo sa stats, she'll be like, 0 points lang siya, wala siyang inambag. Hindi,
Pero
pre.
hindi yun yung
Grabe yung
contribution.
inambag ni Gabe today, man. Yung defensively and the leadership he provided on the court, grabe yung ginawa ni Gabe. Yeah, and again, Aaron Fuller. Whoa.
Is there
He
anything
is
else to discuss
starting
kay Aaron
he
Fuller?
is starting to
Galing.
really showcase some good shit for Ross this conference. Next time naman, it's a bit harder for Aaron Fuller. He has to go against Poy
I
Era.
don't think so. I don't think so. Kasi feel ko kaya niya rin naman do I still believe na sina Ian Sanggalang frontline, yung mga nakalaban niya ngayon, still kind of more talented than Poy Eram. But I think
Talented, yes, pero laki.
maybe the length of a
Yeah,
Poy
yung
Eram. But let's
laki.
see what
Exactly.
Fowler can do because he has the heft. He can push Poy
Yeah.
out of his
Yes.
spots.
Yes, pero yung length ni Poy is a lot different than the length of Ian Sanggalang.
Galang.
Yung length ni RHJ kung natripan niya is a lot different than the defense provided by sila Jabari Bird and Calvin Abueva. The defense of TNT I think is much more complete as compared to Mags kasi they're able to defend inside. And may bruiser pa rin talaga sila in Glenn Cobuntin and Kelly Williams. Kelly Williams is I think Kelly will be the main
They have a lot of
defender.
bodies to throw at
Yeah.
Fuller, no?
So many bodies to throw at Aaron Fuller. And compared to Magnolia, they didn't have that many bodies to throw at Aaron Fuller. You lost Dave Lucero for the last 2 games. Major loss, by the way.
Major, you think they would have won? Tingin mo mananalo Magnolia ng Game 5 with Lucero there? Like sabihin natin na 70% Lucero.
I don't think so kasi Zave is still
Iba yung concussion protocols.
Zave is their second right now. In my opinion, he's their second or third best player. Pero he also has a hard time defending Aaron Fuller. So like
kulang pa rin siya sa heft to guard
kulang pa rin siya
Fuller.
in that regard to defend Fuller. Pero it would have made this maybe a 1, 2, 3 point game. Yan yung masasabi ko doon.
Down to the wire for sure.
Yeah, and people are gonna shit on Coach Chito for this also.
They already are sa comments.
Yeah, I saw the comments already. Coach Chito is gonna be blamed for this. But if we're gonna be real, I think he was actually quite out coached by Coach Yang in this series. Coach Yang ran his rotation so well. Let's look at the minutes for the players of Ross.
Yes, go.
Matt, outside of Aaron Fuller, nobody played 30 minutes.
Ganda nga naman ng spread out.
Yeah. Like, Gabe Norwood played 28 and Gabe barely played in the first 2 games. So, alam mo yung inisip niya game ko na ginagawa niya.
Din eh. Na-preserve din si Gabe.
Alam niya yung ginagawa niya. And, ayun, that's why I did it. And look, Jabari Bird had played 36. Mark Baroka played 38. Paul Lee played 32. These guys are all up in years in age, dude. Except Jabari Bird. Not sure how old Jabari Bird is. Pero
Jabari Bird. So young, Jabari Bird.
Yeah, pero yung Paul Lee and yung Mark Baroka.
He's 30 na pala. 30 na pala si Jabari Bird. So pwede pa. For an import. Yeah,
pero yung Paul Lee and yung Mark Baroka mo, tig 30 plus minutes. They're not that young either, right? So I'm curious where James Laput is.
I think it's a matchup problem. Actually, nahihirapan siya kay Fuller for some reason, but it's another big body na pwede mo lagay eh, di ba?
I agree.
At least just to rack up the fouls or make Fuller earn it from the line.
I agree.
With James Laput.
Pero
ano ba alam natin, diba, compared to Coach Chito?
That's why I'm a little thrown because I thought James Laput would have been a nice
Mas may minutes pa si Rafi Rivas eh.
Yun nga eh, may 3 minutes si Rafi eh.
Oh.
Yeah, so again, I think Magnolia, now we're in the off-season, what are you looking for if you're Magnolia?
I think health lang din eh. Are you gonna find a trade partner? A trade partner for Abueva, but Abueva's trade value, right? Well, so far, I think tumaas ang onte yung value ni Abueva here na wala masyadong drama, walang kahit anong...
Yeah.
Because he's been behaved.
He has been
Behave
behaved.
talaga si Calvin.
I
Yeah, and
mean,
he's getting the numbers.
behaved. Didn't he have like an issue with Motau Tua? Tagal na ba yun?
No, dude, this is the last conference. I'm talking about this
This
conference.
conference.
I'm talking about Governor's Cup. All
Okay.
Filipino yun eh. Ay, wait. No, no, no,
Okay.
no, no, no.
Di naman feeling.
Hindi,
Or
nandun
feeling.
sila Boatwright. Ito yung Benny Boatwright. Ano, di ba?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure.
Pero matagal, that was last
It's been
conference.
a
I'm
while,
not
yeah.
just judging this conference. So let's give it to Abueva for Shalobar for behaving, for not
Yeah, but
getting the ire of the
he
commissioner's office.
but
So
he passed the bar.
he passed the bar no matter
We
how
still
slow
respect that.
that bar is.
We still respect that. He passed the bar
Oh,
down. Wait lang, give me a second. Somebody sent me something.
PBA. Wild na Belga only played 8 minutes, no? Considering ang ganda na nilaro niyan sa last conference. Pero all Filipino yun eh. All Filipino conference yung kay Belga. Iba kasi talaga pag Governor's Cup with an imported
8
goal
minutes,
who plays
pero kitang-kita mo yung ano niya. Yung
leadership
impact
niya sa
niya,
at ano
leadership-wise.
niya, leadership
Kitang-kita.
niya sa bench. Kaya he talks to
Exactly.
everybody.
And, yeah, go
Mm.
ahead, sorry. He also made some
Yeah,
pretty big shots for Ross. In the third quarter, he hit a 3.
8 points nga eh. 8
Yeah,
points
8
in
points
8
nga siya in 8
minutes.
minutes. In 8 minutes. So, look, if you actually look at the end of the day, Ross played so well. Jonard Clarito is really becoming a rising star in this league. Andre Caracut is turning into such a clutch player. What some of the shots he was
Mga
hitting,
bank shots niya, no? Parang
he hit
pumasok
3.
yun.
He hit
Pumasok yun.
3 really, really confusing ass shots.
Basta pumasok.
And
Goal.
it went
Okay
in.
lang.
All 3 went in. Nung pumapasok yun, alam mo na eh. Shit, it's Ross Day. Alam mo yun? Yung
It's
tipong wala
Ross
ka na
Day. Ako,
magagawa.
yung pinapanood ko sabi ko, araw nga ng Ross ngayon.
Ano magagawa mo in that scenario? Also, shout
Kaya
out
nga.
to Renz Nocum. Bro.
Adrian Nocum, yeah. Adrian Nocum.
Yeah. Magaling din. I love that, yung ginawa nilang, tawag dun, straight out of Tondo. Ito mo yun?
Straight out of
Ito
Tondo.
ako dun. Like, this guy
Yung graphic na yun, yung
Yeah.
video graphic, straight out of Tondo. Sabi ko, okay. I
Toto,
get it.
anyway, Nocum is playing so well also. Is this his second year? Second year na ba? Or second conference pa lang niya?
This is second year.
Yeah, anyway, yeah, one of those two. He's playing so well for Coach Yang also. Kitang-kita mo kung anong kaya niyang gawin.
San
Ross
Juan
is looking
Knights
up
din
to-
yan. San Juan Knights din
Basta San
yan.
Juan Knight talaga. Looking at you, Orlan.
Si Orlando Omar, hindi na.
I love Orlan
I
Omar,
know.
bro. I'm a big fan of Orlan Omar. Anyway, so yeah, if you're Magnolia going into the off-season, siguro a big, maybe, because your wings are pretty set. Aris Judicial is a very good wing.
You got Zave.
Zave is, I consider, a
De
wing
La
pa rin.
Rosa.
Yeah, so you still need that big. You still need
They're gonna get a Commissioner's Cup. You can bet that they're gonna get a 6'10", 6'11",
yeah.
7-footer guy
Well, to
for
be
the
fair,
next conference.
really, because Jabari Bird's pretty good. I like Jabari Bird.
Yeah, but sobra the fact na ang laki ng okay, so there are more players sa Magnolia that can try to replace a Jabari Bird, but wala silang 7-footer na. Yung it's
Yeah.
more glaring yung 5 spot
Yeah.
nila.
Yeah,
Very
I agree.
glaring yung weakness na yun. So I'm sure yun yung a-address nila. It's gonna be wild for me if they're gonna get another wing or if they bring back Jabari Bird for the Commissioner's Cup kasi hindi nga gumana this conference. What makes you think gagana siya next conference?
Yeah,
With
you're right.
with better or
What is that?
bigger and it happens when you do this eh. I don't know. It's a
I did not know that. Can I try that?
lumalabas siya randomly or
Oh, that's sad.
kasi, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I just like. I think maybe in future Governors Cups, he could be somebody that you could look at if your other teams also. So who could be going to Magnolia? There's a little free agent out there. There's a new little.
nagka-meeting na daw siya with the MVP camp eh.
I didn't see.
May meeting siya kanina daw. He had a meeting with the MVP camp. So,
Oh,
pero
okay.
wala pa daw final. He's just
mo.
taking meetings.
Dude, I think I won't say the name. We all know who I'm talking about. But put him here, I think he could be a really, really good piece for the team, dude. Somebody
Another
who,
wing? Puro wings. So Zave's
I don't necessarily count. Troy is a wing in terms of height, but the way he plays, he's barely a
4.
wing, if you ask me. More of a
He's a
4
4.
siya. And considering how Magnolia likes to play, kaya mo talaga siyang i-run sa 3 and 4. You're still lacking a real big, like a real big. Pero he would be a nice addition to a team that may be looking to replace some of their other players. Like maybe you're looking to change your aging Ian Sangalang, maybe looking to change Alvin Abueva. So one or two of these players you're looking to change, right? So he could be that replacement. Aside from that, maybe you're trying to get a little younger than so guards mo. You're kind of all in right now with Jerome Lastimosa, don't you think? I think that's how I see it. Is Mark Barroco's not getting any younger. Paul Lee's not getting any younger. You're kind of pushing all your chips in for Jerome Lastimosa, who we haven't even seen healthy yet. So you need maybe another point guard. Not like Jericho Ahanmisi, who shoots
Missy.
who's a shooting guard,
Binagalan
right?
na eh.
Yeah.
Missy.
So you need a point guard na talaga if you're Magnolia. Point guard and a big, and you should be set. Because the rest of your team is fine. You have Irish Junicho who's playing still pretty well naman. And Jericho Ahanmisi who has proven his role.
Yeah. And that's mga concerns for Magnolia, no? While let's do like a quick TNT Rain or Shine matchup preview. What are the matchups that you're looking for? What are the matchups that you're looking forward to? Well, for sure, who does RHJ guard? Kasi sa NLEX, alam mo he's gonna guard the best offensive player. But dito sa Ross, madaming options, diba? So I wonder where they're gonna put RHJ. Are you gonna put him kay Aaron Fuller? I don't think it's gonna be a good idea because Fuller's gonna push him. RHJ still, diba? Mapapagod masyado si
Bigat pa
RHJ.
rin yan. I think you take the Fuller matchup. The matchup I'm excited to see
Sa
is
game 1, feel mo yun yung una mo makikita.
Yeah.
Yun yung okay, so RHJ versus Fuller. So okay.
I think yung match na I'm excited to see is the Pogoy versus Nokum matchup.
Pogoy Nokum.
The
Two
Pogoy
contrasting
Nokum matchup.
styles. Two different
Exactly.
styles.
Sobrang contrasting styles ng dalawa. But they're both really fun to watch. I want to see how that matchup goes. Kasi you'll be testing Pogoy's defense, and at the same time you'll be testing Nokum's experience kung ikaw si RR.
Baka mautakan ka ni RR.
Exactly. Sobrang mautak ni RR, diba? Alam mo yun. And I think it'll also go down to who can hit the biggest shots at the end. It'll be maybe a battle of Calvin of Tana against somebody like Gian Mamuyak or Jonard Clarito, something like that.
Santi, pwede din. We haven't seen a Santi game yet.
Yeah. So somewhere along these lines, it actually is pretty decently matched up. I'm excited to see the Mamuyak versus Castro game because I know they're putting Gian on.
They're gonna put on a guard. They're gonna
either Gian or Felix. Gian or Felix are defending Jason Castro, I think.
And Castro's been playing 20 minutes a game lang. Hindi siya babad eh. Castro's only been trending 18 to 21 minutes a game. So are we gonna see more minutes from Jason Castro here?
I think so. Kasi let's be real. I think the reason why we've barely been seeing him play was because the last 2 or 3 games of that NLEX TNT series were blowouts, right?
Hindi naman kailangan actually.
So you don't really need to play Jason that much. In this Ross series, I think you will need to play him a lot more because off the bench of TNT, you're not the strongest. Oh, but you still have Reynam Batak. I kind of forgot about Reynam Batak. Not gonna lie. The Reynam Batak
against his former team. Against his former team. So may angle na in a way sana din ako trinade. Papakita ko kayo. So
ito yung binitawan nyo.
Ako yung binitawan. Pero okay lang naman. To be honest, like ang dami namang pieces ng ano.
Yeah, I mean,
pero for Ray, are we gonna see a career game? Are we gonna see a career series?
I think Reynam Batak is gonna be the X Factor.
Feel ko ma-check siya, to be honest.
Feel mo na-check siya? I'm not sure.
Because ma-check siya na Coach Yang. Alam nila, bata na yan eh. For me,
pero
again, depende kay Coach Chot, paano mo gagamitin si Ray. Kasi iba yung gamit kay Ray sa TNT.
Exactly. So I think it's gonna be fun to see how Reynam Batak plays. I kind of forgot that he came from Ross. That's gonna be really fun.
Diba? Kasi nag-blockwater siya for a while eh. For a second, not for a while. For a second.
For like 2 weeks. Na-joke lang. Matagal siya doon. Anyway, it's gonna be fun kasi diba, I think they went all in. They were able to trade or let go of Reynam Batak because they went all in on the Andre Karakut. Center yung Andre Karakut, right?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be fun to see how this goes. Will Andre Karakut show out as to why he deserves to be one of the mains of Ross, or will Renan Batak say, "Oh hell nah, guys, you traded the wrong guy. I should be there right now." It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be a really good series. Early, oh wait, my computer died. Early prediction. I will say TNT in 5.
7 games ito, Mario,
Ah,
hindi na to in 5.
Minnesota.
Kaya maganda,
Sorry.
semis is still 7 games.
Oh, sorry, I mixed it up. TNT in 6. I
Ako
think
Ross in 7.
TNT in 6 ako.
Ako Ross in 7.
I'm relying heavily on experience on this one. I think the experience of the
You
team is
love
strong.
TNT, no? Naalala ko last conference natin. Remember, first round, it was TNT versus Ross, all Filipino. You had TNT against Ross. 'Di ba? And then
Yeah,
game
I
1,
did.
tinambakan ng TNT yung
I
Ross. And I
did.
remember getting a message from you, sabi mo, ito reason bakit TNT kasi superstars pa rin at the end of the day ang playoffs. And
Yeah,
then Ross just surprised us with, yun nga, I think that
I
was the
did say
Gian
that.
Mamuyak series. That's
I did
when
say that.
Gian,
Yeah, when
naalala
he
mo yun?
absolutely clamped Calvin. Yeah,
Diba nag-clap ka?
when he clamped Calvin, I remember that.
He was scoring 20 plus and he was clamping the best player of the
Yeah,
other team. So,
that was the
Mamuyak
GN
to ah.
Mamuyak series. I
That was
remember
the
that.
Gian Mamuyak series.
I remember saying that because I was like, damn, this guy
Di
GN
ba?
Mamuyak. I think I do tend to lean more towards experience. Kaya I would go towards TNT. At the end of the day, a lot of these guys are young for Ross. A lot of them are young. So I think at some point, magugulangan ka ng TNT sobra na hindi mo na kayang gawin. But if it does go, if Ross does end up winning the series, first of all, great for the PBA. Because
Yeah, if Ross gets to the finals.
finally an in-depth, right? And second, it will be in 7 games. It will be in 7. It will not this
So
series.
hindi ka na TNT in 6, TNT in
No,
7 ka
I'm
na.
still in TNT in 6. I'm still TNT.
Okay.
But then if Ross wins, it will be in 7. If Ross wins, it will be in 7. And it was 7. Gets mo? Like that's how I see
I
it.
get you.
Yeah, that's how I see it. Because I just think I don't know. I really feel like TNT with RHJ is so hard to beat. I think the RHJ factor is the hardest thing about beating TNT. So ayun, that's how I see it going. But hey man, congrats to Ross. Basically at this point, if you're Ross, you're going through the step ladder of teams, right? You're going through the step.
No? Biglang number 1 versus number 1 na agad.
Exactly. You're going against the step ladder of teams. You have to go against Magnolia, a very good team in the PBA, part of the SMC group. You have to go now against TNT, part of the MVP group. And then if you ever win that series, you have to end up going up against either you have a 66% chance of going up against somebody from the SMC group, depending on who wins that Converge SMC series. So if you're Ross, this is if for all the people who want an independent team to win a championship, this is the path it will take to get it. And if they do, yan yung makikita mo talagang deserve na Ross, because they'll have to go through every single possible team past there.
And they're going up against the best teams sa Group B or basta yung group, kung saan mang group yung TNT, sila number 1. So it's an early Titan clash, which is like might as well enjoy it na lang. Nangyari na eh. Might as well enjoy na lang natin.
Hell yeah!
Pero looking at it, okay, at least semifinals pa lang, matindi na. At buti ginawa nilang 5-7-7, no? Like quarter still 5 games, 7 semis and finals 7.
I wanted to bring this up. Pero, I forgot to say, halataan mo na now yung difference ng game pag may 4-point line. Kasi kanina, when Magnolia was down...
I never thought na magugustuhan ko siya kasi how much it changes the momentum na kala mo makahinga ka na. Then bigla mo, ulit yung game.
Pero yung problema ko with it is now teams are so focused in the last few moments of getting a 4 instead of a 3. Alam mo yun?
Kasi
Kita mo sa Magnolia kanina. They were trying to get that 4 kahit anong magawa nila. But they had open looks from 3. They could have driven.
Yun yung mga yun yung mga
4,
dapat.
Only 4. I understand na it is the easiest, not easiest, that's wrong. But it's the fastest way of coming back. Pero
fast doesn't mean more efficient, diba?
Exactly. And let's be real, outside of Jerick Ahanisi and Paul Lee, you guys already got that many 4-point shooters. So I was more surprised. Kita mo dito kung saan where the 4-point lines actually changed the game a bit for the PBA. Kasi they're no longer looking for quick 3s or quick 2s. There's quick 4s now. That's something that we should get used to.
Quick 4s pero 20 23 to 26% yung
Yeah.
conversion rate ng buong liga sa 4. Pero
Yeah.
pero if there's a team that's gonna utilize the 4 talaga, it's gonna be Magnolia. They have the
Yeah.
best
Yeah. I
they have
agree.
the best personnel to kagets ko rin.
Yeah.
Kasi if TNT was the one trying to do that, bobo yun, di ba? Kasi parang sino lang ba tumitira na gano'ng kalayo? Si Calvin?
Calvin lang yung may kaya mo.
And that's even stretching it because Calvin just shoots it from the right. And he's not a deep three-point shooter eh. He's
Yeah,
just
but
right there on the line
he's
eh.
that spot. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, sa spot, di ba? Hindi siya
Yeah.
yung jack up niya lang
Yeah.
di ba?
Natutuwa ako pag tumitira ng 4 si RJ eh. Kasi parang
Alam mong trip lang. Alam mong
parang what are we
titira ko na
doing?
to ah.
I was like, that doesn't look good at all. Like,
Nakakabastos nga iba. Sabi ko,
anyway,
the fact na nagko 4 points to, sabi ko, easy
yeah,
na to. Nagchichill na to.
I remember that game. Anyway,
Di ba? Sabi ko, puta, down naman kami by 25. Malamang, titira siya ng 4. Ano mo?
I remember that game. I was like, what the fuck? Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna be fun series. SMB versus Converge tomorrow. Not gonna lie, it's gonna be hell. I will be honest.
I will tune in for that game. We will be ready for an episode.
Yeah, not only am I tuning in for that game, I am rooting for
Converge ka.
Converge tomorrow. I am
So
rooting.
hindi ka na SMB. You said SMB.
I expect SMB to win.
Okay, you expect, but you're
then
gonna root for
I'm
Converge. Ako
hoping
na rin. I'm gonna
for-
root for Converge. Pero,
Yeah.
okay, my heart says Converge. My brain says SMB.
SMB. Exactly. It's exactly the same. Kasi
Okay.
SMB pa rin yan. Pero, Converge, if there's any time to do it, it's gonna be tomorrow.
If SMB loses tomorrow, do you think Coach George Gallant gets fired?
If SMB loses tomorrow, baka wala nang trabaho si Coach George Gallant after ng fourth quarter.
Pero depende kay RSA yan, di ba? That's
Yeah,
gonna be
for
RSA's
sure.
call.
Yeah.
Kasi, di ba, the other upper management can do whatever na sabihin na kahit bata mo yan.
Yeah. I think
But
the
if
problem,
the big boss is like, yo,
yeah,
malakas team natin, ba't tayo natalo ng Converge, wala yung number 1 pick nila.
Yeah,
Kasi ba sa conversation mangyayari?
nakapalit lang ng coach yung mga... Anyway, I think that's the problem with having these star-studded lineups, these heavily starred lineups. Kasi when you lose, who is to blame? Nobody else is to blame. Nobody else, they'll point no other fingers except towards the coach.
It's very glaring eh. It's not like nagpo-pull tayo ng whatever thing we... Kasi nakita mo, lineup management, shot selection, di ba?
Yeah. They don't even run plays.
Nasa si Sike.
Go, Sike. Di mo kaya, sige. Bigay mo kay Junmar with 3 seconds left.
Gagawin ni Junmar.
Gagawin ni Junmar. Kumawa naman si Junmar. Muntikan. Anyway, we'll find out tomorrow how it all goes. It'll be a fun game though. I hope it stays close.
Yeah, yun lang naman. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. This is a quick one. Actually, it's just right. Medyo matagal nga to. Kasi we did also a matchup preview ng TNT and Ross. Things to watch out for. We're in for a good series. Yeah. So the winner of the SMB Converge game will face Barangay Ginebra. So yeah.
Not a prize you want right now if you're any team.
I think they just wanna. I think for SMB they're playing for the coaching staff, or at least one of the coaching staff is playing for their lives, while Converge has already done their job. Just qualify in the playoffs, being the 3rd seed in your group is an overachievement already. So a lot of people are rooting for Converge for reasons we all know. Like I see it in my GC na sana manalo Converge, or even the comments, diba? Go Converge. Wala pa si Balti nito, yun yung mga comments. So let's see. And we'll make another episode tomorrow.
Just a quick shout out to our boy Wilfredo Dalida.
Shout out
U3F. Shout out to you. Yes, shout out as well as to you, Boss Tristan Jerome Chua. Appreciate you guys watching and commenting on most of the videos. It's really nice to see you guys all connect to the content that we're making.
1,000 new subscribers in a week.
Yeah, big time. So it's really fun. It's been a fun few weeks, especially during the playoffs. So hopefully we can keep doing this. UAAP's full in swing. I don't want to talk.
LaSalle versus UP tomorrow.
Yeah. I don't.
Sabay yung mga games.
But I was gonna say I don't want to talk about the games a while ago. I just don't want to talk about it.
Nothing happened kanina. Basta PBA game lang yung naalala ko.
Yeah. My mind blank. Was there a game today? The only game I know.
Buti hindi ka basketball this year, no? Ayaw nila i-put ka sa misery mo na baka mag-back out ka na for next year. Mario, second go,
I
Gardon,
doubt.
second year.
I doubt.
Ayaw ka na.
I doubt. It was just
Ayaw ka
funny
na.
because like
Ayaw ka na.
anyway, no comment na lang. Tomorrow UP DLSU gonna be a really fun game as well, I think. Super duper
Yeah,
fun
so
game.
let's do separate episodes para the algorithm. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Wait. For those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. For those on Spotify, 5-star rating, follow. See you all. Peace.